How can you make money with NFTs and NFT investing right now into non-fungible tokens and with crypto? With risk being at all-time high, unstable economy, possible recession on the horizon, should you even be considering investing into NFTs, putting your money there, and can you really make money with them right now? What I want to do in today's video is go over just some of my past investments into NFTs. How are they doing? Which ones have brought me, good money or have made money, and which ones didn't do so well? Also, which projects and NFTs should you even be considering investing into right now? I'll break that down and some of the fundamentals of what makes a good NFT project. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, welcome back. Those of you who are my subscribers, my name is Brian Noonan. I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller, mentor, and business coach. Right here on my YouTube channel, I release weekly videos covering everything Amazon, money, success, and NFTs. If you enjoy that type of content, make sure to go down below and press subscribe. It's free, and I can see each and every one of you who take just a minute to press subscribe, and I appreciate each of you. Also, give me a like on this video. It helps support my channel, this video, and bring more helpful videos like this one to you. My job right here on this channel is to help educate, teach, impact as many lives as possible, sharing and documenting my journey of how I went from a struggling broke drug addict 8 years ago to being able to own and run multiple six-figure online businesses. Let's jump into it. All right, guys. Well, I had to start out the video with just kind of talking about the status and where we're currently at with this market. With the crypto and NFT market, it's volatile. It's a little bit higher risk market, but with that added risk or higher risk comes the ability to make a lot of money. For example, I have a couple NFTs, guys, that have made me a lot of money. The first one was this one right here. My first NFT was this well-connected werewolf from Gary Vee's VeeFriends Series 1 NFT project. For example, I bought this one back in May of 2021, and I paid, May of 2021, 1 year ago roughly, and I paid a little under $4,000, I believe, for this, like $3,800 or $3,700. Back about 8 months ago, or within 8 months, 6 to 8 months of buying it, I was getting offers for nearly $50,000. I paid under $4,000. I could have sold it for nearly $50,000. That's one example of an NFT project that has really done well. Another one was VeeFriends Series 2 that just dropped less than 4 weeks ago. I bought a second one for $997 or just under $1,000. And I was getting offers for nearly $6,000 to $10,000 for it right out of the gate. The VeeFriends, of course, is just one NFT project, and I'm just showing you examples of which ones have done well. Those by far are my two best performing NFT projects, and I highly recommend VeeFriends. Right now, though, guys, there is a lot of risk. And before I talk about the risk and kind of where I see NFTs going and which ones to invest in and how you can make money with them, just one other example. I do want to talk about that risk for a minute. There is this project called, it was this Ape Dads. I bought this one for, I think, a little under $1,000, like $1,200 or $1,000, and the project actually got suspended. I just logged in today and saw that it's back up, but that can happen too. You may have NFT projects that you invest into that go under or get suspended from OpenSea or a secondhand marketplace like OpenSea or Coinbase. So that can happen too. So it is very risky, but with that risk, of course, comes the ability to make a lot of money. Now, where are we currently at with the NFT and crypto market? Well, we're in a bear market, right? With fear never being higher, with the stock market plunging. We still believe that the stock market, the centralized the centralized banking system in the U.S. and the crypto space, Web3, should be separate, right? They should be two separate things. They're completely different. But for some reason, if you look at like the S&P 500 or the NASDAQ, the crypto market and some NFT projects kind of correlate with that. So we're not totally decentralized yet. There's a lot of overlapping things with institutional investors investing into NFT projects and crypto as well. And when things go south, they pull out that money, leading to further declines in NFT prices and crypto currency, declines, losses. But this past week was brutal, guys. We're definitely in a bear market for crypto and NFT space. We went from, Ethereum being, roughly $4,800, and within just a week, it went down. Ethereum is now down to $2,000 for one Ethereum. It was well over $4,000 just a week ago. So that's been a huge decline. You may have heard the news around Luna, wrapped Luna token. This went from like 13 cents a coin down to less than half a cent basically. There's huge declines. Coinbase came out, laid off some of their employees. Coinbase also announced that if it ever were to go bankrupt, that holders of cryptocurrency with Coinbase would lose that money. So this put a lot of extra fear into the market. We're definitely in a bear market, and you guys definitely need to be careful investing into NFTs. Now, where do you where do we go from here? How do you kind of get hope and be optimistic, or take the optimistic side of still making money with NFTs, it's still being a good investment, and that kind of stuff? Well, the first thing I want to talk about is the purpose of why we invest into NFTs, right? Why do people invest into NFTs in the first place? And really, it's for a couple of main reasons. Number one, they're gambling or for speculation. They expect the price to go up. We buy the NFT, maybe we get on the whitelist, or we buy it at mint when it first gets released, and then we're expecting that, to go up. That's the main purpose most people buy NFTs for. There's also people that buy it for collectible reasons. They want to have a collection, just like, luxury watches or cars. It's a collectible. Also, this is the one I like the best, which is utility. People buy NFTs to get access or to get access to special events or people or experiences from the NFT creator, right? So you get access, like, for example, if The artist The Weeknd rapper, launched an NFT project, he could attach utility to that NFT, giving you an hour in the studio with him to make a song. That's an example of utility. I'm going to VCon this next week, which is Gary VeeFriends conference. Just by holding, one of VeeFriends NFT project, one NFT, I get access to a 3-year conference called VCon. That's also utility because it's free. Also, it's a status symbol. You may see a lot of people on Twitter, or even celebrities, like Shaquille O'Neal and other celebrities, Ludacris, having the NFT picture as their profile image. It's almost like a status symbol, almost like a Ferrari, or, to flaunt your status or your wealth, right? So those are some of the main reasons why people buy NFTs. Gambling or speculation of the price to go way up and you make a lot of money. For collectible reasons, to get utility, for a status symbol, also for games or for the virtual world. A lot of NFT projects come along with kind of the virtual reality side, the VR side, and the ability to play games around that token. Now, what's the best reason to actually invest into NFTs? Well, I like to look for NFTs, guys, that have a combination of all those that I just talked about. They have you have speculation that the price will go up as it gets more popular, and the team that's in charge of marketing and blowing up that NFT project, or the backers or owners behind, the creators behind that NFT project, will do a good job to market and sell that NFT project, and so the price goes way up. Like, for example, VeeFriends, I bought it at under 4,000. Went to almost 50,000, and it continues to go up until this big crash. But that's one of the main reasons I really like to invest into NFTs. Also for the utility. Again, that's my favorite reason to invest into NFTs. These are called blue chips, and blue chips are like NFT projects that are stable, or their value holds over time. Example of blue chip NFT projects is like Bored Ape Yacht Club, CryptoPunks. These ones, even with the crypto and NFT kind of crash over the last week or so, these ones have held their value. They did drop significantly. For example, Bored Ape Yacht Club's collectible on OpenSea fell to its lowest point, down 63% on May 12th over a 7-day period. So even the blue chip NFT projects are getting hit. This is just affecting everyone across the board. If I look at my collection, I can definitely see the offers that I'm getting are super low right now. So right now, here's what I recommend. Don't sell any NFTs that you have. But what we need to do going forward to make money with NFTs is look for these blue chip projects that we expect the price to go back up. There's only going to be, like 1% out of the 100% of NFT projects that have been launched over the last, 12, 18 months. You really have to look for the 1 in 100 projects that have that utility and blue chip factor to them, because that's your safest bet right now, guys. There's just a couple NFT projects I can recommend right now that I own, invest and recommend you invest into. One is VeeFriends. You can scoop up VeeFriends for relatively inexpensive right now. Series 1 or Series 2 VeeFriends. Number 2 would be In-Betweeners. This has been a pretty solid NFT for me. This is backed by Justin Bieber. He has this as set at his profile picture on Instagram. And then the other one would be the Coalition Crew by Peter Voogd. This is a good project too. A lot of access and utility come along. There's also some big celebrities, NFL, NBA players that have invested into the Coalition Crew, as well as Bored Ape Yacht Club owners that have invested into the Coalition Crew. There's Coalition Crew that I have 3 of them, and Coalition Crew 2.0. You can get these ones for really cheap right now as well, guys. But the advice that I have right now, guys, for investing into NFTs is to just invest into blue chip or solid projects that you expect to be able to hold their value and go up and up and up from here. Again, the 3 that I can recommend just for right now is VeeFriends, Coalition Crew, Inbetweeners. Those are the 3 that I own and that I'm going to continue to own, and I'm not going to sell anything right now until we get a rebound. Now, where do you find other good projects to invest in? You can come on to Rarity Tools, rarity.tools, and this will show you, click here, upcoming, and this is a really good place to see upcoming NFT projects that are about to launch. From here, what you would do is open up their Discord, join it. You want to make sure that it's not just bots in there spamming. You want to make sure you have that they have an active community of members asking questions and that kind of stuff. So I would go into their Discord, I would join it, I would monitor or watch to see how active the creators or owners are and the managers are in that Discord. I would open them up on Twitter. How many followers do they have? I like them to have 3 to 10,000 or more followers already. Are there any like big celebrity names that have got interested in the project? For example, Gary Vee, did he follow the page? That would be a good sign. So come to Rarity Tools, guys. This is a good place to get ideas on upcoming NFT projects. It tells you the pre-sale price, right? The price that it's going to cost to mint or first buy, and then the time of the launch. And then it has their website right here. You can click on their website where you go to mint the NFT or buy it on the pre-sale, whitelist, or on the public sale drop. And it tells you the total, right? We want to look for, projects that have the least number of total. That's going to be, and a lot of hype, right? A lot of demand, lowest supply, highest demand. Those NFT projects will do well, and solid owners behind them or creators. All right, guys, well, that's going to wrap up this NFT video, just kind of giving you an overview of where things are at with the market and how to make money right now. I'll make sure to do a part 2 or follow-up video as I monitor the NFT and crypto market over the next 2 weeks. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next video.